Innocent. They should see us together. What do they do now? So what do they do? What does that people inside the commander make it now?
The Edo State House of Assembly has summoned Ego constituency lawmaker Natasha Osawaru Idibia to appear before the House Committee on Ethics and Privileges within 7 days. The summon follows viral social media videos alleging showing disputes between the lawmaker and her husband, Nigerian music icon Innocent Two-Face Idibia. Some reports also hint at possible substance abuse, though these remain unverified.
Don't do that! Don't do that! Don't do it! Every day you're going to start for me. What do you have?
Innocent. They should see us together. What do they do now? So what do they do? What does that people inside the commander make it now?
Of recent, this precious house with cerebral members and highly educated members has been dragged in the mud for too long by our colleague, Honorable Natasha. For the past 1 week, she has been, let me use the word, trending negative on social media and the televisions.
The speaker, who said lawmakers must act responsibly both in public and private life, any behavior that undermines public trust must be addressed.
We frown against it and will not take it. On that note, Honorable Natasha should appear before the Ethics Committee, the Ethics and Privilege Committee, to let us know why she is dragging this house into the mud. By this letter, it means that FEMA is still existing. FEMA is still existing. If they are not existing, they won't reply this letter. We thank God that they are still existing. Wait till the middle of January.
Natasha is expected to respond within a week. The Assembly says this action is part of its responsibility to uphold ethical conduct and public confidence in elected officials.